One more. Oh, yeah. One more. One more. One more. Another one more. I already have many of these one more earbuds. And today I am wearing one more Fit AC Open-Ear Earbuds S30. This is the newest set of earbuds from One More, and I'm loving it. Well, before we start the video, let me tell you clearly this one costs less than $70 US, only $69.99 US. Okay, I know that's $70 US. These earbuds are actually open-ear design and offers the best fit among all the open-ear design earbuds that I have ever tested or I have ever used. Before we check the unboxing, don't worry, I have recorded the unboxing video. Let's go through the specifications. Each of these earbuds weighs 10 grams. Yeah, that's really very light considering that these are open-ear design. And the case along with the earbuds together weighs 79.7 grams. Each of the earbud is equipped with 14.2mm DLC diamond-like carbon dynamic driver, 4 ENC microphones. Yeah, this one supports Bluetooth 5.3, comes with IPX5 water and sweat resistance. Each of the earbud is packed with 85 mAh battery and the charging case is equipped with 600 mAh battery. Each of the earbud actually offers 10 hours of playback time, and altogether with the charging case we can get up to 30 hours of total battery life. The earbuds take around 90 minutes to get fully charged and the charging case takes around 2 hours to get fully charged. What I like about this brand One More is they have a very nice application, that is One More Music application, which is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Okay, some of my subscribers and regular viewers, they have asked me, what is the difference between open-ear design and in-ear design? Yeah, open-ear design is different than in-ear design. That's the thing. Open-ear design is actually a bit more healthy for our ear because in-ear design, the earbuds actually gets inside our ear groove, ear canal, it blocks out and our ear canal cannot breathe. So in the long run, definitely there is a negative aspect of that. But when we wear open-ear design earbuds like this, One More S30, look at this. The earbud is actually hanging outside and our ear canal is totally open. So it won't generate any fatigue, the ear canal can breathe easily and all the sound is produced outside the ear groove. So it is not gonna directly hit the ear canal. When it comes to open-ear design, it's actually a bit more competitive for the brands who offers these open-ear design earbuds because sometimes sound quality isn't as good as in-ear earbuds. But here I can say without any hesitation that the sound quality of this One More S30 is as good as, if not better, than any other earbuds within this price segment. And as a bonus, what you are having is a healthy ear. You're not gonna feel any pressure, it's not gonna generate any fatigue. This set of One More S30 is gonna offer excellent sound quality and providing a safer user experience because we can be aware about what is happening around us. This isn't gonna block all the ambient sound. But as I mentioned earlier, this one comes with 4 ENC microphones. So this one actually can block a bit of environmental noise, which allows us to focus on what we are doing. But at the same time, we can also interact with the people around us, or we can listen to the thing that we want to listen to. The directional physical sound design provides a better privacy protection with less sound leakage. It actually doesn't have any type of sound leakage. I haven't felt anything like that. The sound actually is directional, so whatever we are listening to, it's only gonna get inside our ear canal. It also enhances the focus of low frequency performance, delivering a more impactful and immersive experience. The 14.2mm ultra-large diamond-like diaphragm dynamic coil combined with directional sound transmission technology and unique DBB deep bass boost, low frequency enhancement algorithm enhances the audio quality and delivers a clear and ergonomic listening experience. One More S30 features 4 microphone intelligent call noise reduction. It has an intelligent algorithm integrated inside, so it can dynamically analyze both the internal and external noise or voice, and it adaptively eliminates background human voice, preserving the fine details of the user's voice during calls and restoring the natural sound quality. So yeah, if you are worried about in-call quality, definitely this one is gonna make you super happy. As this one has IPX5 IP rating, this is somewhat waterproof. This One More S30 can withstand some water splashes and sprays encountered in our daily life. For example, we can go outside wearing this One More S30 even if it is raining outside, and we definitely can use this one inside gym when we are doing heavy gym works and sweating. So yeah, usually we don't have to worry about water splashes or something like that. Okay, finally, before we talk about the application, let's talk about the sound quality. As these are open-ear design, at the beginning I was a bit cynical. Yeah, I was cynical. Okay, the sound quality of this one is super nice. I always like the sound signature of One More. I have been using a lot of different One More earbuds, and all of those One More earbuds offers one of the best sound quality in its class. This One More S30 is no different than those. Even if this is a set of open-ear design, this one offers a very good sound quality. When it comes to lows, yeah, this one can reproduce very nice bass thanks to that unique DBB, deep bass boost. So low frequency enhancement is great. When it comes to mids, yeah, one more time, I need to use the word perfect. Perfect mids, and the highs are also very good. It's better than many other open-ear earbuds that is available on the market, which even costs twice more than this One More S30. So for bass, I'd give this one 9.5 out of 10, mids 9 out of 10, and highs again 9 out of 10. So altogether, this is a straight 9. Remember that this rating is based on open-ear earbuds. Well, I haven't seen any other open-ear earbuds which offers same level of comfy and sound quality like this One More S30. Finally, let's talk about the application. Inside the application, we have these custom settings where we can customize the buttons. We can select what will happen on double tap or triple tap. Then there is a custom equalizer option. We can always play with this equalizer based on our requirements and preference. The third option is OTA firmware update. We can update the earbuds. There is quick guide to product and soothing sounds, which I truly like. At night when I feel like I can't fall asleep, I would listen to these soothing sounds. Well, that's all about this One More S30. I have left a link of the product in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the product. And before you go, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.